Hi everyone, my name is Avril and welcome to my channel. Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create these rustic farmhouse coasters using terracotta saucers. Want to know how it's done? Stay tuned. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's a list of things you will need for this project. I purchased most of these products from my local hardware store, Bunnings Warehouse. I wanted to give my coasters a little bit of texture, so I decided to choose a liquid stone paint for this project to give it the desired look I'm after. You could totally skip this step if you do not want a textured look. Once I was done with the base coat, I let it dry for a couple of hours. Now it's ready for its top coat, and I chose Rust-Oleum Linen White for this project. I gave all of my 6 coasters one coat of paint and set it aside to dry to give it its final look. Meanwhile, I started prepping for the next step. I took my adhesive cork paper, turned it around, and traced a circle using a terracotta saucer. I then cut the circle using my scissors and placed it against my saucer to see whether it fits well. I had to go ahead and give it a little bit of a trim because it didn't fit well. And then I went ahead and repeated this process for the remaining 5. Now my circles are ready to be stamped. I chose clear stamps with inspirational words. This is the look I was after. You could choose any design or any words you wish for your project. I repeated this process using different words on all of my cork cutouts. By using clear stamps, it gives you the opportunity to customize your desired look. Then I went ahead and chose a leaf stamp to give it a more earthy look. This is a great way to put your own touch to any project. Now I'm done with the stamping and it's ready to be glued. Once my coasters were dry, I sanded slightly, then wiped it down using a rag. Once it was ready, I peeled off the sticker from the adhesive cork and placed it on my saucer. I rubbed it on well and repeated the process. This is a great personalized gift for a teacher or friend. I tied a string to give it a more organic look. And then used a label to name it and personalize it. I love how these farmhouse coasters turned out. Hope you'll love it too. Thank you all so much for coming along and crafting with me. Please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe to support my channel. Until next time, happy crafting and hope to see you again in the next one.